Miss Zay, ito katanungan kanina nakikinig ako sa iyo eh. As sabi mo may platform ka. Yung platform na yon, parang sinasabi mo kanina app siya. Tapos parang nandun na lahat, 'di ba? Yung marketing, 'di ba? Parang ganun na lahat eh. Pati yung monitoring mo sa iyong business, parang ganun nandun na lahat, 'di ba? Parang nandun na yung pinaka-accounting mo eh. Lumalabas. But
Yes, with the
ito
expert.
ang katanungan ko, Miss Zay. Kapag nagparenta ka kasi, kapag nagpaayos ka, kasama din ba yun? Yung maintenance?
Yes, as dependent dun sa agreement ni property owner at ni renter, no? But maintenance is basically part of the apartment management. Una, sa lahat, it's your property at the end of the day. So as a landlord, it's your responsibility to make sure na either si tenant is taking care of the maintenance or you yourself is also involved in the maintenance. Kasi kung umalis si tenant and then walang proper maintenance yung property, at the end of the day, yung wear and tear nun, malakas. So, yung kita mo, baka kinain lang siya dun sa maintenance pag mag-move out si tenant. So, andun yung importance na as a property owner, meron kang access dun sa mga maintenance services request ni landlord. And so that maybe ngayon hindi mo siya nakita, but once mag-move out sila, dun makita na may ano pala, may malaking problema pala dun sa property na hindi mo siya nakikita on your normal maintenance activity, like on your own time of maintenance.